Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights or taillight light bulbs. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so to start, open the lift gate. And first you'll want to pop out these two plastic covers which are covering the mounting screws. So just use a flat screwdriver or something similar and get these covers off. And now you'll get access to the mounting screws. To remove the screws you can use either a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Okay, once you have removed those, the taillight itself will be completely loose, but it will still be held by a small pin here on this side. So one very important thing, do not pull the taillight to the side because you might break it here and even the taillight could crack. You have to pull it straight towards yourself. Now there is a catch to it. And I have two different options what you can do. First, you can try just pulling it straight out, but most likely will not be able to do it. Then what you can do, you can use a bit of a duct tape and just glue it on this side of the taillight and gently pull towards yourself. That's the safest and the best option. That way you will not crack the taillight or damage that pin. Your other option is trying to use a plastic trim remover just to gently pry the taillight out here on this side, but the most important thing, pull it towards yourself. Okay, so I will be using duct tape and I will just gently pull towards myself. Okay, that's it, and this is actually the safest way to pull this out without doing any damage. Okay, and now I will show you those pins. So you will have one, see, just here on the top, and there will be actually one on the bottom as well. So this vehicle has two pins, and as you can see they are quite long and thin, and if you pull this taillight to the side you will definitely break them. Okay, now to completely remove the taillight, all you have to do is disconnect this electrical connector right here, and it will have like a small tab just here at the bottom which you have to press and then just wiggle these wires out. Okay, just like this, and now you can safely remove the taillight. And now I will also show you how to replace any of the taillight light bulbs. That's quite easy. You'll have this light bulb socket, so just have to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. And here you will get access to each of the light bulbs. Same thing goes for this one and for this one as well. And now to remove the light bulb from the socket, there is no twisting or anything, just pull it straight out. Okay. And when installing the new light bulb, just insert it straight into the socket. And that's about it. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay, that's it. Very easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.